All right, guys, back in North Carolina. I was just in Arizona. We're in Winston Salem and we're going to Mozelle's. All right, got a spot outside because the weather is phenomenal here. Go over the menu. You can pause and read, so it's a healthier Southern cuisine. All right, we decided to cheat today and get a bottle of wine. Nice French Bordeaux. So nice outside. All right, fried chicken, not gluten-free. I'm cheating. Green beans, Brussels sprouts. It comes with mac and cheese, but I got rid of this. And we have a peach chutney. And Nicole did the risotto with just the grilled chicken. Gluten-free, definitely. Yeah, perfect. We'll dig in and let you know how it tastes. All right, guys, that place was really, really good. The food was delicious. Fried chicken actually was boneless, which I really like. I didn't have to fight to eat my meal. I really like the peach chutney, and Nicole's risotto was actually delicious.
Yeah, it was really good.
Nice and creamy, had a nice cheesy taste. Anyways, we're gonna do some other restaurants here in Winston-Salem. Super cute area, so I recommend it if you're in North Carolina. If you're in Raleigh, it's about an hour and a half west. So, all right, guys, we'll see you next time.